fine.
My name Nida from Pak News HD. Sir, like someone Mike Tyson and Amir Khan will be attending this event.
Something like that. Then we need another level. There's another type of boxing. It's not similar to what the Mike Tyson and Amir doing. That one is Arabic type of boxing, which is they could, if they invite them, they could attend as attendance and they can be part of the, but they cannot play. And we're not quite sure if they will come or not. That's depending on their schedule as well.
Sir, how many people in total are you expecting in your events?
As attendees?
In your events competition?
Yes, see, this is the first time that we're hosting such events with the 8 belt awarding. What we expect that this number of athletics, this number of stars that we have in men and women, that want to attract people to come. This is first of all. Second, the place that's hosting the boxing is one of the well-known places, which is Coca-Cola Arena, and it's surrounding with a lot of activities. So we're expecting that a lot of people will join us, either for watching the boxing event itself or the side activities of the event as well.
Oh, great. Or is this for the first time happening in Dubai?
In this particular way, yes, first time. First time, yeah, not first time hosting boxing events, but it's first time that in one day we're distributing more than 8 awards. So we have 8 different categories, 8 belts to be distributed to the stars, which is happening at the first time.
Sir, last question. Do you feel about this event being covered by Pak News HD, because Pak News HD is the first channel approved by UAE government?
Yeah, one
So
of the
sir,
tools that we're looking for is
Word.
to have a lot of media in our events, either television or newspaper or radio, whatever it is. It's one of the main pillars that we're looking after. So you are mostly welcome to cover the event itself and publish it in Pakistan, which is, I think you have more than 200 million. So
Thank you.
sounds,
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.